This is a 1922 Singer Treadle sewing machine. I refinished the cabinet and cleaned up the machine itself, got it all lubricated, and put it back together yesterday. Just wanted to see if you might be interested in this too, since I seem to have lots of stuff that would fit in nicely with your museum over there. I'll show you how it works. It's driven by a leather belt. There is no electricity. It's all foot power. See, watch the hook down there. See the hook right there?
Mm-hmm.
Got the belt hooked.
Mm-hmm.
Carries it right around. Okay, it's quote plugged in. So we'll sew a piece of paper towel. And if you want to go in reverse, you flip it like that and then go forward again. And if you want to wind a bobbin, you break the handle loose, push the bobbin winder down, and you can wind a bobbin. So when the aliens come and they take away all of our electricity, you can still make clothes with this.
That's great.
It's 100 years old and still works.
So where do you put the bobbin after you're done with it?
Same as a modern sewing machine down here by the foot.
Okay.
You can see the action in there. When you're done sewing and you're ready to unplug it, you move the little belt derailleur over here. The belt pops off, so you can pick it up, put it back in, close it like that, and now you have a plant stand. Or, even better, ready for this? Come around this side over here. Even better, you can put your latest radio model on it when you get finished.
There you go.
Thanks. Let me know if you're interested.